Hello, my name is Amber Sweet, and today I'll be walking you through my presentation. Animal rescue shelters and the benefits that modern technology has on them. Due to technology, they now play a crucial role with helping animals recondition and rehome. From 2011, over 3.6 million animals, that's cats and dogs, in shelters. Now, it is only 1.5 million in 2018. Why, you might be asking? This is due to cruelty and animal reconditioning and the need for that. Due to social media, we can now outreach. Facebook and Instagram are the nationwide effort to help rehome these animals. The grants to have the funds to do so and to find foster families so they can be placed in temporary safe homes. Tecnology in Plainview, Texas alone has these staggering accomplishments to speak of. All the animals that you have seen in this video have been placed in forever homes. One of them here with me. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.